Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Lucky Orupe dey vex. He say, how can somebody pay 200 naira, sometimes 300 naira from New Benin to Upper Mission for Benin? Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Lucky Orupe.
Now, Edo State, Benin, I for the report. So, from Upper Mission to Aduwawa, before na 15 naira, but now, boss they carry 200, 300 naira. Upper Mission to Aduwawa, Upper Mission to Lucky Way, 100 naira. Why? Because of wickedness of men. Wickedness of men. From New Benin now to Agbo Park, between 300 naira to 400 naira. From New Benin now to Ugbowo, between 150 200. From New Benin to Tejoshon, 100 naira. Ordinarily, all these areas are where drivers they go before with 50 naira. All right. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depends where you are watching me from. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orupe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. All our viewers, Traders Welfare Union partners all over the world, Traders Welfare Union family, help us to share this video. So make I use our general language. Nigeria problem na man-made. Now some people now they cause this problem for Nigeria. First, I want to talk about this fuel. This fuel now, federal government say they not increase fuel. NNPC say they not increase fuel. So the marketers gang go to increase fuel from 160 something naira to 200 and something naira. You see, I say now, men, now they are wicked. Woman be, they are very wicked because the opportunity where they get to become a marketer or to get filling station, that opportunity they use and they punish the poor masses. So every problem where you see today for Nigeria, now man-made, now fellow Nigerians, now they put a problem for their fellow Nigeria body. That is why you see, I say poverty full everywhere for our country, Nigeria. Even the federal government, they don't send the masses. They don't send. Because if the federal government send we the masses, they supposedly don't catch like two marketers. Take show example to the world. Federal government not increase fuel. NNPC not increase fuel. There are some set of people which are they describe them evil union. Come together to say, okay, let us put this fuel for 200 and something naira. Today, now the poor masses, the end user for that fuel, now they face that problem now. Now Edo State, Benin, I mean for the report. So, from Upper Mission to Aduwawa, before na 15 naira, but now, boss they carry 200, 300 naira. Upper Mission to Aduwawa, Upper Mission to Lucky Way, 100 naira. Why? Because of wickedness of men. Wickedness of men. From New Benin now to Agbo Park, between 300 naira to 400 naira. From New Benin now to Ugbowo, between 150 200. From New Benin to Tejoshon, 100 naira. Ordinarily, all these areas are where drivers they go before with 50 naira. Independent petroleum marketers don't come and say, maybe our marketers, maybe they don't increase fuel. The fuel still remain 160 something naira. even on 160 something naira, e still dey tell on Nigerians. Nigerians still dey feel the pains. Adult people still dey feel the pains. So this video wey I dey do today, make una share am so that all those wicked people wey we get for our society, wey we get for our country and for our state, our local government, make dem see this video, because this problem of poverty for Nigeria na some people just dey cause am. Federal government get their role to play for this matter. State government get their role to play. If federal government come and say, okay, no be dem increase fuel, so any filling station wey dey sell above pump price, the filling station should be closed down, even if it is 2 years. Close that filling station down na 2 years to show example to the rest. Our state, Edo State, the governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, I know say no dey tolerate nonsense. He don send people out now. He get committee wey he don send, make dem dey go from filling station to filling station. Who sell above pump price, they should apprehend and close that filling station down. The 36 state governor should take a lead for this struggle. Some individuals, some marketers that have filling station, they are smiling to bank while millions of Nigeria are feeling the pains. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, don pronounce and set up committee. So that committee dey go different filling station for Edo State now. Any filling station for Edo State wey sell above pump price 160 something, they should close that filling station down. They closed some down yesterday. Don't ask them to pay fine. Close their filling station. If na 1 year, close the filling station. How Nigeria go dey suffer like this? How masses go dey suffer like this? The few individuals, they smile to bank, they don't care. The federal government should rise up. Federal government should wake up to deliver Nigerians. If they cannot use 200 naira from New Benin to Upper Mission, a journey that is less than 10 minutes, what about our people when they travel from interstate to interstate? Federal government say they no increase fuel. NNPC announced they no increase fuel. Independent marketers for petroleum, IPMAN, API says they no increase fuel. The marketer should stay for the price wey be say e dey on ground before 160 something. Today, wicked men causing hardship to their fellow Nigeria. Can it happen in the Western world? Do you think that somebody will just wake up for Western world, like America, London, Asia, Canada, he go just increase one thing? He go just increase without due consultation from the masses? So federal government should close any filling station down when they stop Nigeria. State government, through their committee that they have set up in Edo State, should close those filling stations down at least for 1 year. I don't get any political party. I don't be PDP, I don't be APC. I be human rights activist. But the pace is too much. How can somebody pay 300 naira, at times 200 naira from New Benin to Upper Mission? This is wickedness. And who is the root cause of this problem? Now the petroleum marketers, some of them. Not some of them. Today, I wan comot now for petrol matter. I wan comot for petrol matter. Na Ifo Union, some Ifo marketers, petroleum dealers wey be Ifo people wey be say they come do union network, they call themselves Alpha, my filling station now na 210, 220 now they sell o. How much you dey sell for your own? And that one say, I be dey sell 160 o, make I go 210 o. They go network like that. That is Ifo Union. Ifo Union, I be that. We dey cry president of Nigeria, governors of Nigeria, local government chairman, councillor, commissioner, house of rep, senator, they are receiving too much. But the little opportunity you have, you are causing pain to your fellow Nigerians. You are causing pain. I wan comot for petrol now. Look at cement. If you still go to some states today, some states they are still selling cement 2,000 something. 2,000 something they are still selling in some states. But when you come to our state here for Edo State, they don't use union. They scatter everything. Cement union. Cement union. At times 3,000 something. At times 4,000. 3,000 something. At times 4,000. Okay. Go for aluminium zinc. Where is the zinc house? Go for the rod. I mean, na the sand you wan talk about? Na the sand? They wake up one day, increase the sand. Now, all our brothers and sisters, when they try to build house, put their parents, their mama or their papa or their sister, their project, don't be abandoned project. Anyone wey fit manage build the house finish now, any amount e go give tenant. Whether the tenant dey suffer, you know dey suffer, na him know. My flat, na how much I wan collect, now I wan collect. My room, how much I wan collect, now I wan collect. Why? Because of wickedness of men. And they asked the other day, wetin make sand increase for Benin? The sand, tipper drivers begin to tell me say, for pit where they carry the sand, they don't increase am. Diesel, they don't increase am. Okay, now let's say they increase diesel. The pit where they carry the sand, now the person papa get the sand, not the government. Now just state government, now get all the pits. So they should begin to control, they should put control price. And just state government should put control price for every bottle piece, not the people where they control the bottle piece. Because these people acquire a land, as they acquire land, they begin to sell the sand here, and they pay some taxes to government. So it's the responsibility of the government to also tell them that the increase you put is too much. Our Edo people can no longer build us again. Reduce your price. Government of Edo State can do that. They don't even buy sand again for Edo State. If you call tipper driver now, he will say, okay, from that bottle pit to where you did so is 30,000. From that bottle pit to where you did so is 35,000. No fixed price, no control price. Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, we have been crying for control price. A country, Nigeria, where people just wake up and begin to put price, increase price by themselves. If you go to all our market today, everything is like that. So I think the government, Edo State government, because why are they saying Edo State government, now Edo State free day, and the Edo people, now they suffer this matter. If you dey watch me from another state, they fight the way they fight for Edo State so. They shout the way they shout for Edo State so. Because we the Edo people, as the fuel be 200 and something naira now, we don't like am at all. Our people, they suffer. Keke na pay they enter 15 naira. And they come this morning, they say 17 naira. So where about that poor woman where don't get 17 naira? Where about that poor man where don't get that 17 naira? Where about the children when they send go school? Where don't get that 17 naira? So our government, Mr. Governor Obaseki, please, you need to listen to the cry of the poor. We should not leave our motor park for Agbero. Please. If Fred before now, you see how they will increase motor. Instead of 100 naira, 400, 300. So we need control price in every sector. We need control price. Our brothers and sisters, when they build us now, because of the sand that don't increase, because of the cement where evil union don't increase, because of the rock where evil union don't increase, and some building materials, their project has become an abandoned project. How long? So every problem when they pass through for Nigeria, now man, now they cause them. I feel say government now 2%. Yes. Government now just 2%. 98% now people, men, fellow Nigerians now they cause the problem. Now fellow Nigerians they cause the problem. The other day the stupid union, what did they call themselves? Bread union. They just wake up, say I will not go bake bread again without reason. Because now I want to increase bread. Vulcanizer, you go come up inside your house, they'll say Vulcanizer union. They say they not go work today because they get union matter where they want to discuss. Anybody where they come from east or where they come from Port Harcourt, they go Lagos now, it's tired done less. Because of the stupid evil union where they do, they don't feel pump tire. So it is sad all this wicked union make government put a stop to them. Yes. Somebody go ask me, say why? We get better union, we get evil union. Now two types of union we get. The union matter, number one, the union matter they cause problem to our country Nigeria. It dey cause problem to state. Because everything today now union. Wetin I come to talk today now petrol matter. Federal government say they not increase fuel. NNPC say they not increase fuel. Independent petroleum marketers say make their members not sell above pump price. That is to say, those who sell now better union. They say they not increase fuel. Why some filling stations call they sell 200 and something naira? Why would they cry for the pump price when federal government put for 160 something? So please, any filling station where it sell 200 and something naira should be closed down and they should revoke their license. The federal government or the state government should revoke the license of that filling station where they cost paid to Nigerians. In case you want reach us, you want call me, my number is 08053841781. 08053841781. So our people, make una help us share this video until the president of this country, Muhammadu Buhari, join us for this struggle. Because then when the day is so rough, they know they feel this pain what they feel. Now they know they buy fuel now. President know they buy fuel. Muhammadu Buhari know they buy fuel. You know they buy fuel. Senators, they know they pay for fuel now because they get their allowance. All those one are 27 million every month, so their fuel money they there. Yes, sir. The people with the power of corridor, they know they buy fuel now. They get their private filling stations where they bring government fuel come. So whether they increase fuel, they not increase fuel, it not concern some of them. Why God carry you go power of corridor? Now for you to fight for the poor. Now here I want to stop. You cannot want to make this video too long. My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orukwe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union, reporting from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. You don't hear everything wey Comrade Lucky Orukpe talk for this video. Let us know what you think. And before you go, abeg, if you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.